Hello everyone, welcome to the geography learning video by me, Vidi Veronica Capo, and I am a teacher in SMA Lokon Santo Nicholas Tomohon. Today, as a teacher, I am a geography teacher. I will present you about the material of geography in English. So stay tuned and keep enjoy this video. So today we will learn about the atmosphere. And today we will learn about two materials of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the 10 greater materials. The material of the atmosphere, there are definition of the atmosphere and the structure of the atmosphere. So two of this the material today we will learn. Now, what is the atmosphere means? What do you know about the atmosphere? As you can see in this picture, there are the earth and the clouds all around the earth. The white cloud so near in this earth is called the atmosphere. So, what is the atmosphere means? As you can see in the picture, the atmosphere is the protector of life in this earth from emission of solar energy that is very hot at noon and to prevent heat loss to space at night. The atmosphere also has the function to protect the earth from the meteor shower. The first one we learn is definition of the atmosphere. This is the one of the materials of the atmosphere we learned today. The word of the atmosphere derives from Greek. Yes, from Greek, and it is in the Europe. The atmos, that means the steam air, and the sphaira, that means the layer. Once again, the atmos, that means the steam air, and the sphaira, that means the layer. So the atmos and the sphaira. Based on those words, the atmosphere is a layer of the gases that surround all the Earth's surface. Once again, based on those words, the atmosphere is a layer of the gases that surround all the Earth's surface. Like in the picture, you can see there. Okay, right now about the various gases in the atmosphere. So the atmosphere is the mixture of the various of gases. As you can see in the diagram over there are four gases. That's the primary gases in the atmosphere. And the gases which settle nearly 100% the atmosphere there. Now, structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the exosphere. As you can see in the left side of this slide, there is the picture from the bottom till the upper. Bottom is the troposphere and the upper or is the exosphere. So we will see and learn about the troposphere. So the troposphere is located at the bottom, and of course the height of troposphere is different from one place to another place. And the troposphere is 20 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. Because the difference of this troposphere height, in the polar that is 8 kilometers, and in the equator that is 18 kilometers. It's very different number that the height of the troposphere. As you can see, in the troposphere there are many of oxygen there, and the oxygen is very important for us as a human being, as a creature of the earth. Of course we need this oxygen to live, and the oxygen is in the troposphere. In this layer, every increase of 10 meters height, the temperature decreases on the average of 0.5 degrees Celsius. And in this troposphere, there are many kinds of climate, like rain, wind, snow, and everything about climate. And sometimes it becomes a disaster, the natural disaster. And of all of this is a big problem for us as a human. And the end of boundary of troposphere is called tropopause. Okay, now we learn about the stratosphere. The stratosphere at the top of troposphere, to the height of the 50 kilometers, and in this layer, the temperature will increase along with the increase of the height. The boundary of stratosphere is called stratopause. Once again, stratopause. And in this layer, the temperature will increase along with the increase of the height. There is an important part from stratosphere is about the ozone, because the ozone has the function to absorb this ultraviolet radiation from sun rays, so that most of it cannot reach the Earth's surface. And now we learn about the mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer in this atmosphere. And as you can see in the picture, the mesosphere is located at the top of stratosphere on 50 kilometers till 75 kilometers height. And in mesosphere, it also occurs decrease of temperature 0.4 degrees Celsius. And in this layer, some meteors are burned and scattered. And the end of boundary of mesosphere is called mesopause. And thermosphere. So the thermosphere, it is located at the top of mesosphere on 70 kilometers to 650 kilometers height. In this layer, the gases experience ionization, so that it is often called ionosphere. The temperature in this layer increases with the increase of the height. This layer becomes the radio wave reflection place that is emitted from the Earth to be accepted in the other places. And the end of the boundary of thermosphere is called thermopause. And the last layer are we called the exosphere. Once again, we come to the exosphere. And the exosphere is located at the top of the thermosphere, which is the upper layer of the atmosphere. There is no clear boundary between exosphere and outer space. In this layer, the contents of the atmosphere gases are very low and the influence of the gravitation is very small too. We can see the astronaut there. That's all for today, and thank you for watching this learning video. I hope you guys will understand and keep in mind this material. Please always keep spirit and stay healthy. Thank you and goodbye, guys.